So for anybody installing a double DIN, I'm doing a Pioneer in here, and basically it said online I had to connect the green wire to the parking brake, and that's below my chair here. I don't feel like doing all of that. Plus, I'm going to probably be relocating the parking brake. This is a 2018 Ford Transit, so I'm putting swivel seats in. So what I did was I got this little push button here, and I just mounted it in this factory location, and that will ground the green handbrake parking brake cable, and that will allow you to play movies and whatnot on your Pioneer head unit. So some brands require this, some brands don't. I wasn't sure if this one did or not, so I just went ahead and did it rather than hooking everything up and testing it and finding out that it did. So, and this is the factory little dash piece here. What I did was I drilled a hole in it and I mounted the USB for the Apple CarPlay. And I also have this lower USB port that's going to be used for just powering any device. So what I did was I went through here, I cut out a small section here of plastic. I didn't want to eliminate too much structure, so I just did that little bit. And then the cables basically come up and run to the head unit. I don't have the surround kit. It's coming in the mail in a couple days. They sent the wrong one, but I just wanted to get this all wired up and hooked up. So I did get it hooked up and everything works good. I also didn't use the Maestro kit on here yet because I didn't want to spend $200 on that box and the cabling. So I just bought the regular Metra power kit and wired it that way. So I still have to install my microphone, and I still have to install my tweeter on the passenger side, but overall, what a sound difference with this head unit compared to the factory head unit and the speakers as well. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll answer to the best of my abilities.